crybaby over here, well, he's suffering from a broke millionaire mindset, just like some of you. So we got some not-so-average financial tips for you, to fix your thinking. But make sure you hit the subscribe button first, so we can keep them coming your way. We gonna be in your face.
What's up, guys? My name is Sharon.
They call me Jack.
And welcome back to our channel, where you are going to hear some not-so-average financial tips to help get you back on the road to success and financial freedom, okay? But before we get started, go ahead, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button, please. Give us a thumbs up. That way we can keep bringing these videos to you to help you along the way.
Did y'all hit subscribe yet?
We will be back with financial tip number 5. Financial tip number 5. You cannot stomp with the big dogs if you don't get up off your poodle ass. Okay?
Nope.
That one you did? Oh. Okay. I'll be back. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot that we are not supposed to use profanity on my channel.
This is my channel too.
On our channel, okay? The only ASS around is...
Don't be calling me names.
Okay, let's start this again. Financial tip number 5. You cannot stomp with the big dogs if you do not get up off of your ASS to make it happen. Okay? You cannot have something for nothing. You cannot expect to be rewarded for something that you hadn't put in the work for. The successful people out there, they are successful because they put in the work. Okay, well, some of them, they had it handed to them at the beginning. They're lazy bones through. Sorry. Back on track. Okay. Anyway, you cannot expect to have success if you don't put forth the efforts to make that happen for you. Okay?
You better make that money.
We're not saying that. We're not saying that. We're just saying that if you want better, you've got to do better. And it's as simple as that, people. It's not rocket science, man. I don't understand the mindset of people being upset with someone else because they have reached a particular status in their lives, and then you, on the other hand, haven't done anything, hadn't gone through whatever they went through. You don't even know what they went through, but you haven't done it, but you're still pissed off.
I know the types.
And you still expect them to give to you, other people to give to you, when you won't even give to yourself. You won't even give of your time. You don't feel like you're worth that? Give your time, man. You kick back, you're playing video games, you're watching television. I won't name any channels because I don't want any hate letters. I don't want to be sued. Okay, I don't want that. But get up off of your ASS to make success a reality in your life. Okay? And we're going to tell you how to do that in just a moment. Okay, so if you are ready to stomp with the big dogs, let's do what the big dogs do. All right? If you are interested, if you are ready, click on that link below in the description box, www.successyouwin.com. It will be taking you to a free video, which will be presenting you with an opportunity to change your lifestyle, okay? To become the big dogs, the Joneses of the big dogs, Click on that link below, watch the video in its entirety, and you make the choice whether you will remain a poodle. Okay? You just go in and hop around with your little bows on your head, be cute, and eating kibbles and bits. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Scratch that. I ain't gonna erase it, but scratch that. Act like you didn't hear that. Or are you gonna stomp with the big dogs living the dream. The choice is yours. Okay? You can't have something for nothing. Is my hair messed up? I gotta redo this thing. I gotta redo my hair. I gotta go, y'all. I have to redo my hair. See you in the next video. Bye.